Welcome to our energetic comparison of two popular treadmills designed for those who love to keep fit indoors. Today we're comparing the Sperax treadmill and the DeerRun walking pad 2-in-1 smart treadmill based on online reviews and their features. Let's dive into what makes each treadmill stand out and which one might be the best fit for your fitness journey. When it comes to affordability, the Sperax treadmill is priced at a modest $499, making it a considerable investment for your home gym. On the other hand, the DeerRun walking pad is available for $399, offering a more budget-friendly option for those looking to save while staying active. Amazon reviewers have noted that while the Sperax treadmill is a quality product worth its price, the cost-effectiveness of the DeerRun walking pad makes it an attractive option for budget-conscious shoppers. Design and portability are crucial for home fitness equipment. The Sperax treadmill boasts a no-assembly, space-saving design, making it ready to use out of the box. The DeerRun walking pad, weighing only 41.8 pounds with built-in wheels, offers unparalleled ease of storage and mobility. Amazon reviews highlight the Sperax's convenience for small spaces and the DeerRun's exceptional portability, making it ideal for users who prioritize easy storage. Motor performance and noise level are key factors in a treadmill's appeal. The Sperax treadmill allows for speeds up to 6.2 miles per hour with a quiet operation, catering to both walkers and casual runners. The DeerRun walking pad focuses on a quieter, more moderate pace experience, with speeds ranging from 0.6 to 3.8 miles per hour, making it perfect for those who prefer a gentler workout. Reviewers appreciate the Sperax for its speed range and quiet motor, while the DeerRun is praised for its exceptionally silent operation, suitable for apartment living. Both treadmills offer unique features and extras. The Sperax treadmill impresses with its multifunctional LED display and remote control for easy adjustments. The DeerRun walking pad stands out with its 5-layer protective running belt and access to the Pit-Pat Sports community platform, fostering a sense of community among users. According to Amazon reviews, the Sperax is ideal for those who appreciate straightforward functionality, while the DeerRun is favored by users looking for additional safety features and community engagement. Overall, the Sperax treadmill is celebrated for its simple, quiet, and compact design, making it ideal for small spaces and easy to store. The DeerRun walking pad is praised for its portability, low noise levels, and the added value of community engagement through its platform. However, some users have noted issues with the DeerRun's durability and customer service, while the Sperax receives accolades for its reliability and value for money. Thanks for watching our comparison of the Sperax treadmill and the DeerRun walking pad 2-in-1 smart treadmill. Which one do you think fits your fitness goals better? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts. Check out the product links in the description to learn more about each treadmill. Until next time, keep on moving towards your fitness goals.